Ladies and gentlemen, this is Solomon Baite. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel. Yenyewe tumekuwa tumepotea, but we are back. We were mourning Baba and now tumerundi. Let me tell you for free from today, I will be giving you content after content. You know, I do everything. I do content ya comedy, nafanya news, nafanya kusummarize kila kitu, at least for you understanding. And today, many people were asking me about the hate bills zenye zimepitishwa na Baba na Ruto na zinatu affect Haji. And I was checking this one from the cyber crime ama hiyo wanaita hiyo the cyber crime amendment bill. Hii wanasema it is a bill that allows the government to shut down some website. Ama siku ya leo inamaanisha President Ruto can wake up na aseme kama venye mnasikianga huko Tanzania ama kutu kwingine ati Twitter imefungwa. If people are trading in a very bad way ama maybe you're criticizing something that is annoying the government, wanasema they have power to shut down. Also it includes kukiweka vitu za watoto na sitakikani kama ni cartoon iko na pornography, all those they are able to shut down. Kuna ingine inaitwa the privatization bill. Wanasema it is just privatize is just transferring the public things properties to a private ownership. So wanasema hii inapea government nguvu ya kuhamisha vitu zenye we own publicly. Yani inamaanisha leo press kama KICC. You remember there is a time President Ruto wanted to privatize KICC. Nikakuwa na issue mingi sana and it was never done so. But now the bill allows the president to do so without you questioning or yani inampea nguvu. Sitaendelea na mingi, nataka tuende hapa kwa the Air Passenger Service Charge Bill. Inasema likely deals with the changes to the fees passengers pay when traveling by air, potentially impacting the cost of air travel. Inamaanisha sasa, unaona wase wa ndege ukienda airport, now you are traveling at the masses of them. If they tell you from here to US is 170,000 and maybe previously ilikuwa 150, you don't have to question, you have to pay. This is just to ensure that our economy is moving and all that. Mimi hizo zingine utajisomea, but kuna hii ingine wanasema the land bill 2024 probably seeks to modify existing land laws. Na moja yenye nitakwambia ita affect, it is for the people who are living on free owned lands. Unajua kuna two types of lands, which is leasehold, where you don't own the land, it's like you are leasing. That's why people are given certificate and all that. Mostly zinakuanga in towns and all that. You are paying rates for owning that land. Ndio maana sometimes the people who owns land in town, like in Nairobi town, they have leased that land from government. That's why the lease extends maybe up to 99 years, maybe up to 50 years and all that. And now every month you are supposed to be paying rates to the government so that you can give government the money to manage towns and all that. But freehold ni ile ya kwenu ushago. This bill allows the government also to collect some cash from you ukiwa uko ushago. As long as you own the land, it gives them the power to ask you for some rate. You'll be paying at the end of the year. Those are the few zenye ningeweza kukuambia. Hizo zingine naona ni kama hasina maana sana, lakini but kuna hii moja najua itatu affect sana, inaitwa the National Police Service Commission Amendment Bill 2024 aims to strengthen the National Police Service Commission authority, possibly by giving it more power to investigate complaint against police officers or implement reforms related to mental health and wellness within the police force. Ama inasaidia ukisoma hii kizungu juini kizungu inaisaidia serikali ama police kuwapea nguvu police, maybe you to investigate police and all that. But you know the problem when now this thing inaendanga the other way around. Unaelewa, inaendanga the other way around. When a police is given power, my friend, they can do anything. Mi hivyo ndivyo najuanga. If police are given more power, ai manze, mi nilikuwa na feel hiyo power walikuwa nayo ilikuwa sawa. Hii ingine wameongeza sijui ni nini, but with time tutajua, because these are the bills that the President William Ruto has signed, but currently I'm aware that they're in court because people are saying these are not the bills that we wanted as Kenyans. Manze, mambo ni mingi. I was also checking on other things that were trading, but just check in the next video.